Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 24th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So, anyways, on the daily time frame, I'm definitely still very bearish. I still think this is potentially going to go down to the 100% Fibonacci extension of A, projected off the top of B, which is right around the 1.305 area, potentially to finish off a regular flat or a regular ABC correction. So to keeping that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have some big news coming out today. We got CPI inflation data. We are definitely in a downtrend. I mean, yesterday I was looking at this as possibly being like an A, B, C and going up to a fib level, but the whole thing was is it never broke any structure. Every single one of these swings is a lower high, lower high, lower high. Why fight the trend when the trend is just continuing to make lower lows, lower highs? We do have CPI inflation data coming out today. Maybe it will cause an impulsive move up, maybe it won't. Either way, based on the daily time frame, I am definitely still only looking for shorts in a downtrend. And even based on the 1 hour time frame, I think you would only want to be looking for shorts on the fact that it is definitely continuing to make lower lows the whole way down. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.